Hello, this is Kurt from Grand Purpose Piano. I'm in the shop and I'm getting ready to start restoration. Okay, here we are. So the plate is up and out of the piano so far. So just going to get the piano moved out of the way and get this set up. Difficult thing is that the pin block is embedded into the case. And then I'm going to make a cut up here and up there and then remove this piece of wood so I can get to the pin block. And you could see now that was hiding underneath this. Oh, it's a screw. There it is. Well, just like I said, once I cleaned it up a little bit, there's two screws. I'm sure that on the other side there's going to be screws. You can see the screws underneath of all places.